Hello, this is Barrier with Barrier Breached. What I have here is two master padlocks. This is supposed to be a level 5 security, and I'm going to attempt to pick both of them. I'm going to do bottom of the chamber tension. See if I can get in the camera's view here so we can see. Nothing on 2. Click on 3. Nothing on 4. I believe there's a 5th one. Okay, start over. Nothing on 1. Oh, on. Okay. There, click on 2. Now 3 is hard to get under. Start over. 1. Nothing on 3. Heard another small click on 2. On accident was dragging back. Alright, start over. Let on tension a little bit. Nothing on 1. 2. Click. 3. Click. Break back. Okay. 1. Dang. Taking me long enough. 2. Nothing. 3. Click. There we go. I got an open. So that's the level 5. Make sure key works. Yes, key works lovely, perfectly. Try other one. Yes. Works perfectly. Back up. Now we'll try next master lock. Same thing. We're going to do bottom of the chamber tension. Going to turn clockwise. Rotation. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Click on 3. Start over. Nothing on 1. Click on 2. Small click. Oh, 1. Big click on 3. Nothing on 4. 1. Nothing on 2. Alright, nothing on 1. Click on 2. Oh. Hold on. My pick fell out on me. I gotta get back under 3 here. There. Dang it. There, set 3. And get back in there. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Wow. Usually I get this pretty quick. There's 3. 4, click. And we had some rotation. Start over. 1, no. 2, no. 3, or to click. 2, 3. Wow. Okay. Start over. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Click on 3. Okay. Let's get back in here again. Nothing on 1. Click on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. Heavy tension. Letting up on tension. Nothing on 1. I reset it again. Nothing on 1. Sorry. Click on 2. Nothing on 3. I believe I just had a small click on 4. Pull out. Go back in. One's tough. Oh, on. Click on 1. Nothing on 2. Oh. Man. Yay. Got it. Woo! Oh, this 2 hung up on me. But anyways, this is from a beginner, I guess you'd say, lock picker. And that was a master lock by V line, 40 millimeter, come from China. And supposed to be level 5 security, master lock. No other numbers or identification on that. So we'll see how the key works. Oh, beautiful and smooth. Hard to push back in. Yeah, let's look at the biting on that. Huh. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and have a good day.